know what the Ford Mondeo and Fusion have in common, and what will replace them in the near future? If you are curious about the answers, then stay tuned for this video, where we will reveal the secrets of the new Ford cross-sedan 2025. The Ford Mondeo is a mid-size car that first appeared in 1993. It was developed by the German subsidiary of Ford, and it was supposed to be a worldwide car, meaning that it would be sold in different markets under the same name and design. The name Mondeo comes from the French word monde, which means world. The car was very successful in Europe, but not so much in North America, where it was called the Fusion. The Fusion was a different car with a different design and construction, and it was more suited for the American market. The idea of a worldwide car was revived in 2013, when the fifth generation Mondeo was launched, which was almost identical to the Fusion. However, the sales of both models have declined significantly, and Ford decided to stop producing them this year and next year. So what will replace the Mondeo and Fusion? Well, according to some spy photos, it will be a cross-sedan, which is a combination of a sedan and a crossover. The new model will look very similar to the Ford Evos, which is a cross-hatchback that is sold in China. The cross-sedan will have a slightly different shape of the side windows and a unique design of the rear lights, which will be connected by a decorative strip with a brake light. The new model will also have a large grille, LED headlights, and a sloping roofline. As for the technical part, the cross-sedan will probably share some features with the Evos. The Evos has a 2.0-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder turbo engine that produces 238 horsepower and 376 Newton-meters of torque. There is also a possibility that a hybrid version will be available in the future. The cross-sedan is expected to debut in 2025, and it will be part of Ford's strategy to focus on SUVs and electric vehicles. The new model will compete with other cross-sedans, such as the Subaru Outback, the Toyota Camry Cross, and the Volkswagen Arteon. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.